Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit videos on TikTok, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TikTok and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the plus icon at bottom. Just tap over there and now you'll be redirected to the another section where you can create your post, story and template, so on. So to show you how to edit videos, let's upload any photos or videos first. Now click on next. My bad, back. Now you can see the screen type of icon at right side shown in the screen. You can see edit option. Just click over there and now in here you can edit your video successfully. So basically this is how you can edit your videos on TikTok, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.